Hey guys, welcome back to Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. Got another beer review. Just happened to see it in the liquor store. I know that Great Lakes has been kicking out some more better good beers, so I seen this and I figured I'd pick it up. It's by Great Lakes Brewing Company. It's Edmund Fitzgerald Porter. Comes in at 6%. It says robust and complex. Our porter is a bittersweet tribute to the legendary firefighters' fallen crew. Taken too soon when the gales of November came early. I wonder what that story is in reference to. Comes in with 37 IBUs. I like to see that listed on there. And like I said, it's 6%. So let's pop the top and see what it's all about. Well, nice and dark like a porter should be. Not really developing a big head on the thing. Oh yeah, it is now. Thick and creamy. I think I could smell it from here. Yep, that is definitely smelling like a porter. Got that deep roasted malt sense going on there. Hopefully this is going to be awesome. I do miss the porters. And the stouts, sometimes they're a little too thick for me. I mean, I still like them. Don't get me wrong. But let's blow the froth back and see what it's about. That is a solid porter. Solid. It's got balls. You can taste that coffee malt in it. You can taste the deep, rich malts. Got a little bit of the acrid taste there. Kind of balanced well with the hops. 37 IBUs. I mean, it's 50% of the 60, so that's kind of like a standard balancing. You know, when, like I said, you go 1-to-1, if you were at 6%, 60 IBUs would be your IPAs. Ish, depending on how you hop it. They're coming in a little balanced, a little overbalanced. So it's driving a little bit of a hop flavor, but man, it's good. That is a good porter. Wow, Great Lakes. Normally they make when they first came out, they were making their standard beers. They were kind of like, they're all right. You know what I'm saying? They were 12 packs. You pick them up and you kind of do whatever. But these are good. Wow. Man, I got to come in at 8.0 on this. Great Lakes Edmund Fitzgerald Porter, 8.0 epic. I mean, it's not like wow, you know. But I mean, this is a great porter. On the list of porters, this would be one of the first ones that I would try and find. It says independent and employee owned, so that's a good thing. I like the label on it. You know, it's got the boat on there, and yeah, 8.0, nice beer. Good job, Great Lakes. Hell yeah. Anyway, guys, that's the review. It's Friday night. If you're going out, make sure that you drink responsibly. You know, this big blue sign that's always down here. And if you haven't signed up for the channel, make sure you do, please, because we want to see you back here on the next one. And enjoy the weekend, guys. All right? Peace.